8 benefits of rosemary oil. Rosemary might be something you sprinkle on potatoes or chicken, but did you know the oil from this herb has powerful benefits for your body and mind? Rosemary oil has been used for centuries in natural medicine. It smells fresh and earthy, and it's full of antioxidants and plant compounds that can help with everything from focus and hair growth to joint pain and stress. Let's explore 10 amazing benefits of rosemary essential oil. Number 1. Boosts memory and focus. Rosemary oil is known for helping your brain work better. When you smell rosemary oil, it may improve your memory, help you focus, and even keep you more alert. This is thanks to a compound called cineol, which may increase brain activity and help you think clearly. Many students and busy workers use rosemary oil while studying or doing important tasks. You can put a few drops in a diffuser or rub a diluted mix on your temples. If you need help staying sharp and focused, rosemary oil is a great natural choice. Number 2. Stimulates hair growth. One of the most popular uses of rosemary oil is for hair growth. Studies show that rosemary oil may help improve blood flow to the scalp, which encourages hair follicles to grow stronger, thicker hair. It's often used by people who are trying to grow their hair or stop hair loss. You can mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it into your scalp a few times a week. Some people also add it to their shampoo or conditioner. It's a natural, affordable way to support healthy hair. Number 3. Soothes joint and muscle pain. Rosemary oil can help relax tight muscles and ease joint discomfort. It has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling, which is helpful for people with arthritis, sore muscles, or stiffness after exercise. You can mix it with a carrier oil and rub it on sore spots or add a few drops to a warm bath. The warming effect can also help improve circulation and make you feel better faster. If your body feels achy or tired, rosemary oil is a great way to relax and recover naturally. Number 4. Reduces stress and anxiety. The scent of rosemary oil is fresh and calming, which makes it great for easing stress and tension. Breathing it in may help lower levels of the stress hormone cortisol, helping you feel more peaceful and relaxed. Many people use rosemary oil in a diffuser while working, meditating, or winding down before bed. You can also rub a little on your wrists or neck after diluting it to carry that calming scent with you. When life feels overwhelming, rosemary oil can help bring a little calm to your day. Number 5. Improves circulation. Rosemary oil may help improve blood flow throughout your body. Better circulation means more oxygen gets to your muscles, brain, and other organs. That's important for energy, healing, and overall wellness. People with cold hands and feet sometimes use rosemary oil to warm things up naturally. A light massage with diluted rosemary oil can help get your blood moving and reduce that cold limb feeling. It's a simple way to support a healthy circulatory system without relying on medicine. Number 6. Freshens breath and fights germs. Rosemary oil has natural antibacterial properties that can fight germs in your mouth. That's why some people use it in homemade mouthwash to help freshen breath and protect teeth. It may help reduce bacteria that cause bad breath, gum problems, and tooth sensitivity. Just mix a drop of rosemary oil with water, don't swallow it, and rinse your mouth to feel cleaner and fresher. It's not a replacement for brushing, but it can be a natural helper for better oral health. Number 7. Supports scalp health. In addition to helping with hair growth, rosemary oil can improve the overall health of your scalp. It may help reduce dandruff, itching, and flakiness. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties fight buildup that can clog hair follicles and cause irritation. When massaged into the scalp, rosemary oil can balance natural oils and promote a clean, healthy environment for hair to grow. If you're dealing with dry scalp or dandruff, adding rosemary oil to your hair care routine can make a big difference. Number 8. Eases headaches. Got a headache or tension in your head? Rosemary oil may help. It's known for its ability to reduce stress, increase blood flow, and relax tight muscles, all things that can cause or make headaches worse. Just mix a drop or two with a carrier oil and gently rub it into your temples, neck, or shoulders. You can also inhale it from a diffuser or warm cloth. Many people say rosemary oil gives them fast, natural relief without needing to take medicine. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video and drop a comment if you know any other benefits of rosemary oil. We'd love to hear it. And if you want to learn even more, watch this video. Benefits of rosemary herb, to see how this plant can support your health right from the garden. And remember, life is better when you garden.